Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anita Stories. In this video I'm going to test some slime without borax recipes. So without borax, without contact lens solution, without eye drops. So in order to see which one works and which one doesn't work, so that you can try them and you can make slime without borax. So I will be testing out various ingredients. Some of them I saw on the internet that they work, and some of them I just wanted to try them. So if you have any ingredients that you think it might work or that you want me to try, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to try them for you. If you want me to try some slimes without any glue recipes, or if you want me to try any other slimes without borax recipes, I will be happy to do more videos about it if you're interested. And so let's get started. So I just used some regular white glue and some food color, and then I'm using this Air Wick. It's the 6-in-1 Air Wick. I'm adding some baking soda. As you can see, something is happening. I was so excited that it was finally working. So I decided to add a little bit of baking soda because it was still a little bit sticky. And then, as it was still a little bit sticky, I decided to add a little bit of Air Wick. So I was super happy that it worked. So if you don't have borax or contactless solution or eye drops, you can definitely use the Air Wick. I'm not sure if with other brands it works. Let me know if you want me to test out other recipes with different brands, or if you have tried with different brands, let me know in the comments if it worked for you. So let's test the second ingredient. So for the second ingredient, I'm using again an Air Wick, but it's a different one. So just to see if only that type of Air Wick 6-in-1 works, or if other types of Air Wick works. So unfortunately this one didn't work. I don't know if I had to keep on mixing it or if I had to add more, but this one didn't work. So let's go with the third ingredient. So for the third one, I'm using the Febreze. Let's see if it works. Unfortunately, this one didn't work. It became very liquidy. So for the fourth one, I'm using some laundry detergent. This one is the Persil laundry detergent. So I've read that many laundry detergent works. So let me know in the comments which brand of laundry detergent works. So unfortunately this one didn't work either, so probably is not the right brand. And so this one will be the last one. Let's see if it will work. The secret word of the day is your favorite slime. So please write in the comments the secret word of the day. So your favorite slime without saying that it's the secret word of the day. So I'm using some dry shampoo for the last one. Let's see if it works. Please let me know in the comments what I should test next. So I saw that the consistency was a little bit different, was slightly less liquid. But unfortunately, it didn't really create a slime. Let me know in the comments if you liked this video. If you want, you can follow me on Musical.ly, Instagram and Facebook with the name Anita Stories. And thanks so much for watching.